Hanna Kim, Lafayette, California.
My name is Hanna Kim, and I graduated from Zaytuna College in 2019 from the bachelor program. Currently, I am a third-year law student at the University of California College of the Law, San Francisco, formerly known as UC Hastings. So I wanted to share a little bit about how Zaytuna has really helped prepare me to be successful as a law student and inshallah soon as a law professional. So one aspect of the Zaytuna curriculum is the fact that it expects its students to get through large volumes of reading, and then through the Socratic method, synthesize that information and be able to discuss it in the classroom. As law students and as professionals, most of the job is reading a lot of case law, statutes, regulations, codes, things of that nature, which can be very difficult to get through. So the fact that at Zaytuna, during all 4 years, I was trained in that skill has really helped prepare me to be successful in that aspect of the legal education. Another thing at Zaytuna was that we were trained in formal logic. And I remember that our professor used to show us articles and ask us to identify fallacious arguments in the articles. And that has been very useful to me in two ways as a law student. Firstly, in mock court settings, such as the moot court competition that I competed in, most of the job was for me to be able to identify fallacious arguments that my opponent was making and come up with good responses and my own strong arguments. And another, perhaps more important way that the fallacious argument training helped me be prepared for law school was the fact that at law school and in the profession, we are faced with the full spectrum of political ideas and views. And so the skill of being able to identify bad arguments and track the ideological ideas that underpin them has really helped me to be able to hold my own as a law student in this setting. And the Zaytuna College goal, the mission, is to graduate culturally competent Muslim Americans. And I resonate very deeply with that mission. And so that mission has really helped me to identify what it is I would like to use my education for. So inshallah, my aim is, as an estate planning attorney, to be able to use my Zaytuna education in fiqh and aqidah and general Islamic values to help my clients be able to pass down their wealth in a way that complies with and preserves this Islamic worldview, and at the same time to do so in a way that is legally valid. I am eternally grateful to my Zaytuna education and my experience at the school that has prepared me to navigate my career and my life as a law student in this climate that we live in. So thank you so much to Zaytuna College, and thank you for listening.